Alright guys, aspiring meteorologist Aiden Patterson here, and today is Sunday, May 30th, 2021 at 7:06 p.m. And we now have severe thunderstorm watch number 227 in effect. So this one is in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time, and this is for the following Texas counties. The first list, we have Andrews, Briscoe, Cochran, Dawson, Floyd, Hale, Howard, Lamb, Lynn, Mitchell, Scurry, and Terry. The second list, we have Bailey, Castro, Cottle, Dickens, Janes, however you're supposed to pronounce that, Hall, Kent, Loving, Martin, Motley, Stonewall, and Winkler. And the last list does include Borden, Childress, Crosby, Ector, Garza, Hockley, King, Lubbock, Midland, Palmer, Swisher, and Yoakum. So you guys are under a severe... Oh, shoot, we forgot New Mexico counties, including Eddy and Leah counties. So those two counties in New Mexico, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 counties in Texas and 2 counties in New Mexico. So that equals 37 counties total. So you guys are under a severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time or midnight Mountain Daylight Time. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, you should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. So you should stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay safe.